Welcome to the world of Mexican train dominoes. This exciting and fun game is played with two sets of dominoes, with the exception that the train images are on one side of the dominoes. The gameplay is very similar to traditional dominoes, but with the unique twist of having to capture and slide the train images across the playing board before your opponent can do so. To begin, each player takes turns opening their own set of dominoes and placing them face down on the playing board. The first player to lay their first train image on the board wins a point. Following this, the game continues with players moving their dominoes around the board in a clockwise direction. The objective of the game is to capture and slide all of the train images across the board before your opponent can. If a player captures a train image, they earn themselves a point, but they must also immediately slide the captured train image to a space adjacent to it. The first player to acquire all 7 train images on the board wins the game. To make the game even more exciting, you can add some strategy by trying to capture certain train images, such as the locomotive or the passenger cars, before other players do. You can also play with more than 2 players, making it a great social game to play with friends and family. In conclusion, Mexican train dominoes is a fun and engaging game that combines the classic strategy of dominoes with the thrill of capturing and sliding train images. Give it a try and see if you have what it takes to become the ultimate train domino champion.